I think one of the things that lawyers don't know how to do is develop these new client opportunities. So how can law firms work with their past and existing clients to develop new client opportunities?
Yeah. I mean, when I work with a lawyer, we look at all the different places where business can be drawn from. And obviously the best way to go is to look at the low-hanging fruit. What's the business that's sitting right in front of you that you've been circling around for years and not going directly into? And past and existing clients is the promised land for many attorneys, but they don't feel comfortable making the ask. They don't feel comfortable approaching their clients about a business. Their mindset is, hey, they've already given me this work. They're paying my bills. Do I really want to ask something of them? And here's the mistake in that mindset. I know the top brain surgeon in the world that can really save lives. And I know that I've got a cousin, I've got a close friend or cousin that needs brain surgery. Should I not introduce them to my friend, the brain surgeon, or should I just keep that to myself? So if you're a great lawyer and you do wonderful stuff for your clients, you've great service, you've handled that side of the lawyering piece of the business of law, why wouldn't your happy clients want to refer you to other GCs, CEOs, and other folks that could get the same value that they're getting? And right now, you're just a best kept secret. The reason that it doesn't happen is because lawyers aren't privy to the steps and language that it takes to make that non-salesy. They all feel like asking for something is aggressive and salesy and it's going to scare off their clients or piss someone off. And it's like not what you say, it's how you say it. And so I'm giving lawyers continually new and different approaches to how they're going to make that ask, where it might just be the client's idea. I'll give you a quick example if that's okay, Nick. So I'm working with one of my lawyer clients. Not only am I teaching this lawyer business development at a very high level, but in the process of doing so, I have referred 3 or 4 new lawyers or different lawyers to meet this client as a value add. I've invited that client to come to networking events that I run. I have added value everywhere I can in addition to helping that lawyer grow business, right? So that's the relationship that we have. That's step 1. Now, when we get done working together and they're double, triple their book of business, they're happier than they could ever be with me. And I could say to them very easily, look, Nick, it's clear that you've been very happy, very successful working with me. We've had this amazing partnership. I don't see it ending anytime soon. I have to believe there's a lawyer or 2 at your firm that is looking to make equity, that is as ambitious as you, that would be interested in doing a similar program to what you just went through. Can we just take a few minutes and talk about that? Because I think I might be able to help someone that you really care about do something very similar to what you've accomplished. What lawyer client of mine is going to say, you know what, Steve, go screw yourself. That's a terrible idea. Or how dare you for bringing that up? It's just not going to happen. The relationship, the results, the value add, it's all there. And for me to make that ask and have them be like, of course, for 100%, it's coming back my way. So there's some that's only one of like 5 different approaches that I'm teaching lawyers. There's different approaches for different introverts versus extroverts, different level clients. GCs of major corporations might be different than a local, owner of a small business. So I'm giving one example, but the idea is we have to find the right steps and language for the lawyer to get comfortable around making that ask where it doesn't feel like an ask.